Bench strength report, I would say, is one of the most useful, seen as one of the most useful tools. And what it does, it gives you a summary picture of the talent you have. The numbers don't ramp up, summarize. The numbers don't make sense here because I don't have all these people in these cells, because there's about, in the database, the dummy database that I use to illustrate things, there's about 110 people in there. So the reports, the numbers go out of go in relationship to that. You can see the A players over there, they lift value. B players at the top, they sustain value. C players, they can destroy value, can erode value. And here you've got, these are a lot of times the insidious part of talent, which is managers that sit on talent. They create what's called pyramids of mediocrity. And a lot of times they're minnows, managers in name only. So they're really individual contributors who never really understood what a manager was about and responsible. So those people, they erode a lot of talent in your organization. D players will drag value down, and we're going to destroy value in the organization. And so you're able to segment your talent in a very productive way, and you're not doing it as an outside consultant or a facilitator. The team that manages each people do. And so that's the real power of this way of discussing talent. This, as I said, is one of the most helpful, viewed as one of the most helpful reports because it's a summary picture of the talent you have. And it can be done in one day.